Have you ever felt overwhelmed by traditional banking options? Tired of hidden fees, complicated terms, and impersonal service? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into EverBank, a financial institution that's shaking up the industry with its unique approach to banking. EverBank is more than just a bank, it's a financial partner that understands your needs and provides tailored solutions. But what exactly does EverBank offer? Let's break it down. Core services. High-yield savings accounts. One of EverBank's most popular offerings is its high-yield savings accounts. Unlike traditional savings accounts that often offer low interest rates, EverBank's accounts provide competitive returns on your deposits. This means your money grows faster, helping you reach your financial goals sooner. Certificates of deposit, CDs for those seeking a more secure and higher-yielding investment option. EverBank offers a variety of CDs. CDs provide fixed interest rates over a specific term, allowing you to lock in your returns. EverBank CDs are available in various terms and interest rates to suit different financial needs. Money market accounts. Looking for a balance between savings and checking accounts? EverBank's money market accounts offer the flexibility to write checks while earning competitive interest rates. These accounts are ideal for those who need easy access to their funds while still enjoying higher returns than traditional checking accounts. Checking accounts. EverBank also provides checking accounts with features designed to simplify your financial life. These accounts often include benefits like ATM fee reimbursements, online bill pay, and mobile banking. Auto loans. Whether you're buying a new or used car, EverBank offers competitive auto loan rates. Their online application process makes it easy to get pre-approved and secure financing for your dream vehicle. Personal loans. Need a personal loan for unexpected expenses or to consolidate debt? EverBank provides personal loans with flexible terms and competitive interest rates. Their online application process makes it quick and easy to apply for a loan. Home equity lines of credit. Helix. If you're a homeowner looking to tap into your home's equity, EverBank offers Helix. A Helix provides a line of credit secured by your home, allowing you to borrow funds as needed. Additional benefits. In addition to these core services, EverBank offers several additional benefits that set it apart from traditional banks. Online and mobile banking. EverBank's online and mobile banking platforms make it easy to manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. You can check your balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and more with just a few clicks. 24/7 customer support. EverBank's customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns. You can contact them by phone, email, or online chat. No minimum balance requirements. Many of EverBank's accounts have no minimum balance requirements, making it easy to open and maintain an account without breaking the bank. Competitive rates. EverBank consistently offers competitive interest rates on its savings, CDs, and loans. This can help you save money and grow your wealth over time. EverBank is a financial institution that's committed to providing exceptional service and competitive rates. Whether you're looking to save money, invest for the future, or borrow funds, EverBank has the solutions you need. Ready to experience the difference EverBank can make? Visit their website or contact their customer support team to learn more and open an account today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.